University of Calgary has helped support our Accelerating Climate Action project, which is taking community initiatives and turning them into functional projects.
I'm working on finding the best methodology and tools for the Biosphere to evaluate the geo-exchange feasibility study and the construction waste project as well, to see if the programs are successful, to see if they're implemented as planned, and to see if they are actually influential in the community.
The Construction Waste Diversion project was a pilot project to help minimize waste from construction sites. We worked with 2 construction sites in town to implement a prototype waste disposal system involving multicolored bags, which were labeled in different languages, had different images on them. And then we also tried some educational content and behavior change initiatives on the construction workers. It was very effective. We took diversion rates on site from between 10 and 15% to 50 to 55%. And I think a big win from this project was the partnerships that we had with the Bow Valley Regional Waste Commission and the Builders and Developers Association, BODA. Those 2 organizations want to take the learnings from the project and push them forward into future initiatives.